Hi friends, my name is Dr. Swapnil Nagwekar. Today's video is on importance of water in our life. As you all know, without water we cannot sustain for much time because water is required for functioning of each and every cell and organs of our body. In this video, we will get the complete information in regards to the right quantity of having water, the right way of having water, and the right time to have water. Now let us know the facts about water. As you all know, when we are born, our body contains 75% of water. Within 1 year, the percentage of water reduces to 65%. An adult individual contains 60% of water, while the old individuals contains 55% of water. In our body, heart and brain contains 75% of water. Blood contains 90% of water and our bones contain 32% of water. So each and every cell, each and every organ of our body requires water for optimal functioning. So what are the sources of water for the body? 20 to 30% water comes from food, 60 to 70% comes from water and other fluids, and 10% is metabolic water produced by functioning of the cells. So what are the benefits of drinking water? Water increases your physical performance. Water increases your energy level and brain performance. Water helps in flushing out all your toxins from your body. It helps in temperature regulation. Water decreases the risk of renal stones. It helps in digestive health in case if you drink adequate quantity of water. It helps in preventing constipation. It also boosts your skin health. If you are well hydrated, your skin becomes smooth and healthy. So the next important question comes, what is the right quantity of water to have? First, a normal individual loses 2.6 liters of water by means of sweating, by means of urine, by means of stool, and by means of breathing. So we have to replenish this lost fluid. But the amount of fluid intake also depends on the climate. It depends on your lifestyle. It depends on your working environment. It depends on your weight. So a normal individual can have 2.5 to 3 liters of water per day. In case of extreme weather or any individual who is doing excessive exercise, the water content should increase. So how we will know that you are having adequate quantity of water? There are certain indicators. First is urine. A normal urine looks light yellow. But in case of a dehydrated status, your urine becomes dark yellow. So means your water intake is less. You have to pump in more water. Suppose your urine color is white. It means you are having too much of water. So you have to reduce your water content. Other indicators like there might be dryness of the skin, there might be dryness of the mouth. These are the other indicators to see that your water content is adequate or no. One more thing I want to add in this is, if the individuals have heart failure or renal failure, you have to consult your healthcare doctor regarding the adequate quantity of water. So what is the right way of drinking water? First, you should not drink water in standing position. You should have water in sitting position. When you have water in sitting position, your muscles and nerves are relaxed. So there is optimal filtration at the level of kidneys. When you drink water in standing position, there is disruption of fluid balance, and as a result the water gushes down with pressure and there is no proper absorption of nutrients. Also there is filtration is less in case of standing position. So you should have water in sitting position and a relaxed position. When you drink water in standing position, you are prone for joint pains and arthritis. Take water in small sips. Avoid drinking water in one gulp. Why? Because when you have water in small sips, the saliva is an alkaline medium, so it helps in diluting the acidic condition of stomach. So acidity levels are less. So you have to have water in small sips, like the same way you have tea or coffee. Next question comes, when you should drink water? Keep the habit of drinking water approximately 2 to 3 glasses, that is 500 to 750 ml of water in early morning, on fasting state and without brushing your teeth. This morning water intake is very beneficial for your health. Why? Because the morning saliva has a very medicinal value and helps in treating various conditions like heart disease, constipation and skin diseases. So you can also try storing water overnight in copper vessels, and you can have that water in early morning. Copper has a beneficial effect on your health. Copper has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It helps in boosting your immunity. It has antioxidant effect. Also, it helps in flushing out toxins from your body. It helps in regulating your cholesterol levels. But one thing I'll tell you, avoid drinking water whole day stored in copper vessels. And one more thing I want to add to this is avoid any hot tea or coffee early in the morning, because overnight our body is in dehydrated state, and when you have tea, which is a diuretic effect, it loses lot of water, so you are prone for more dehydration. Also, when you have tea early in the morning, it increases your acidic levels in the mouth because of the bacterial overgrowth, and as a result it will have a bad effect on your teeth and gums. There is a lot of confusion of drinking water in relation to meals. Most people have habit of drinking water immediately before and after meals. If you have water immediately before meals, it will have a bad effect on your health because it will dilute your digestive fire. As a result, your digestion will be affected. It will lead to indigestion, flatulence and constipation. Even if you want to take medicine, it is advisable to take medicine half an hour before meals. Drinking water immediately after meals is a very harmful practice, because if you drink water immediately after meals, it has a coolant effect and it neutralizes all your digestive enzymes. As a result, your digestion is delayed and prolonged. This leads to accumulation of toxins in our body. It has been said that drinking water after meals is like a poison. Can we drink water during meals? Yes. You can have water during the meals, as it will help in softening the food, and also it helps in breaking down the food into small particles. As a result, digestion is better. But make you aware in the sense, you should have small sips of water, maximum 2 or 3 sips between food, and not a complete glass of water. Even if you drink water during meals, it is advisable to have room temperature or boiled water, not a chilled water. So what is the ideal time of having water in relation to meals? If you want to have water before meals, you should have 30 to 45 minutes before meals and 1 to 1.5 hours after meals. So this is the ideal time of having water in relation to meals. When we have water immediately before going to bed time, this practice can interrupt your sleep cycle and can have a bad effect on your heart health. So it is advisable to have water 2 hours before sleeping time. What is the schedule of drinking water in relation to exercise? If you are planning to go for exercise, you should have water 30 minutes prior to exercise. During exercise, if you feel like drinking water, have small sips. And post exercise, you can have water 45 minutes later. When you should avoid drinking water? You should avoid drinking water immediately after having hot tea or coffee. You should avoid drinking water immediately after having fruit. Avoid drinking excessive amount of water at one time. At one time, you can have 250 ml of water, that is 1 glass of water. If you have more than that at one time, it will not be filtered at the level of kidneys. And also avoid excessive intake of water whole day, because it will flush out sodium from the body. At the end, I would like to say, drink adequate quantity of water, avoid dehydration, drink water the right way and the right time, and also if you follow this instruction, you will have positive effect on your body. Thanks for listening to my video.